As time went by, Emma and her fellow members of the school children's theater troupe continued to nurture their love for drama throughout their growth. When it came time to choose their educational paths, they firmly opted for majors related to dramatic performance, stage design, and scriptwriting, delving deep into various aspects of theatrical art. After graduation, some joined professional theater companies, interpreting classic roles on larger stages and captivating audiences with their superb acting skills. Others ventured into the film and television industry, integrating their theatrical performance expertise into cinematography and participating in the creation of numerous film and television works. Despite thriving in different fields, the wonderful moments they spent rehearsing and performing together in the children's theater remained the most precious memories in their hearts. Whenever they had free time, they would return to the place where their dreams began, schools and communities, to share their educational experiences and professional insights with the new generation of drama enthusiasts. From tips on character portrayal to perspectives on industry development, they freely shared their knowledge, inspiring children to bravely pursue their dramatic dreams with their personal stories. Through these exchanges and interactions, they imparted theatrical knowledge and instilled their passion and dedication to drama into every young person, ensuring the torch of theatrical art is passed down through generations.